One other new addition to Bulletproof Garage, a 1968 Dodge Charger. This is Dylan McCool's old car. It's based on a 2001 Lincoln Town car with a 275 horse 4.6 in it, four-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning. Still has heat and 355 gears and an 8.8. 1969 Chevelle seats, ironically. Carl Stacy's old stock car, number 25. Might not be the prettiest Charger, but boy, it sure runs and drives good. Gets a little bit of attention. It lights the tires up absolutely immediately. I don't know how you couldn't love the look of the 68 Charger from behind. They are beautiful cars. Coke bottle design, flip top gas cap. Absolutely one of the most beautiful cars ever made. I plan on putting better looking fenders on it, better looking doors. I think it's going to get some quarter panels off of Bulletproof, so it's a little bit more streetable. Really enjoying it so far. Really love driving it. I know my son loves it. When we sold our last 68 Charger, he shed a tear. And sometimes you don't realize how much your children love the cars that you own until they leave. He just walked in the door. Maybe we can ask him what he thinks of it real quick. This is my 13-year-old son, Kason. He might be taller than me, but he's not tougher than me. Kason, how do you feel about a 68 Charger that looks like this?
Cool.
Look at me. What do you think?
I like it.
Is it something you'd want to drive someday?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
68's my favorite year.
What's your favorite part about the 68 Charger?
This one?
All of them.
They just look so cool. And like I like the front.
And what's on your sweatshirt?
Oh, Bulletproof.
What's Bulletproof?
69.
Ha. You know how much I enjoy you being a Mopar guy. Thanks a lot. Bulletproof Garage, everybody. Share it with your kids. You just press it and line it up with the steering wheel. Put it on the steering column. Press the button just a little bit as you push the steering wheel on. Keep pushing. Just put both hands on the steering wheel and slide it on. Good enough. Good enough. Hit the key. Look at me, hit the key. Rev it up a little. Just a quick video of the new Charger. It's a 2017 Charger Pursuit. I've trimmed that fender out already. That fender's getting replaced. New doors. These are XD 18x9s with 33s on them. There's the new exhaust by Meads Performance Muffler. He knocked it out of the park. There's the new bumper cover in the back, the new deck lid, still working on fine-tuning the taillight. It actually clears right now as it is. It looks absolutely fantastic. I'm not supposed to say the word absolutely because I say it too much. And amazing. But it looks great. Need a front bumper cover. Need a pair of headlights. There's the new Hellcat hood. It's pretty easy to like. Bulletproof Garage.